This is my big girl, Meeks. Look at her. Oh, fluffy girl. Oh, fluffy. Big fluffy. Video. Today I'm doing my hair once again. This is probably the worst it's been in a really long time. I haven't colored it in, it's been a while. It's been over a month. I usually do it monthly, so this is tough for me to see it like this. But we're gonna go with it. I'm finally getting rid of these roots. I have some pretty good rootage going on. Extremely faded purple hair, really crappy looking. Looking good. So we're gonna take care of these funky roots, and then my plan is to put some dark over top of the blue to go with more of a natural kind of look, and then I'm gonna leave the top where I can recolor it purple if need be. I'm still debating if I'm gonna go blonde or purple, but I'm telling you this because I'm not bleaching the portions where it's blue. So like the whole bottom half will be sectioned off, which is where the dark will go over top of it anyway, so I don't need to bleach that. So I'm only kind of bleaching a portion of my hair and getting rid of these roots. So here we go. Alrighty, so the first thing that I need to do is get out of this shirt and change into something funky. Alright, now that that's done, this is my bleach shirt, can you tell? Alright. So next I'm going to be putting on some gloves. Alrighty, now that my gloves are on, I can do my mixtures. Today I am using the BW2 Clairol Lightning Powder. I'm still using the same bucket. If you've been watching my videos, this thing has lasted for so long. Totally worth the extra money to get the big thing. And I get all my products from Sally's, just in case you're wondering. So I am also using, don't hate on me, I know. I have a 40 volume developer. I know it's very frowned upon. People don't like to see other people use it, especially professional hairdressers, which I am not. I aspire to be, but I'm not right now. But I'm going to mix the 20 and a 40, which will kind of dim it down some. I am going to be using mostly 20 and then a little bit of the 40, which will kind of make it more of a 30 volume. 35 volume if you want to get kind of technical, maybe something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna mix those and to do the thing. And since this is the big bucket, it comes with a little baggie inside and a scooper. So I'm gonna do probably maybe 2 scoops of this, and it's getting kind of low. It's about time to re-up on this because there's not a whole lot left. There's a little bit left in the bottom. Okay, but I think this will be good for what I'm using. I'd rather not waste any if I don't have to. And yeah, so we're just gonna go with it. And if I need to, then I can make more. Not a big deal. All right, so actually let's start with the 20 volume. Pour it into the mixture. Just pour it. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my 40 volume. I'm gonna just a touch and a brushy brush to mixy it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the coffee's kicked in at this point. I didn't think that it did, but apparently it did. Okay, as with anytime you're bleaching, when you are doing the mixture, if you've never done this before, you want it. It's like a frothiness, frothy Cool Whip kind of texture. Hello, kitty. Alrighty then. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, and that is how you do a faux hawk. See? Like that. Anyways, I have my hair separated from the back. It's separated just down. No, it's not straight across. No, I don't really care. It doesn't have to be. So this is just separated. This is gonna be all dark. So I'm just bleaching all this funky nasty stuff up there. but I'm gonna start in the back and then work my way up and forward just to make sure that it's all well saturated and taken care of. So here we go. ADD moment, just in case, because you have not seen my big girl kitty. They like to hang out with me like all the time, especially when I'm doing this kind of stuff. They're just playing with the door, following me around. She looks like a Maine Coon, but I don't think she is. That's my big girl, Meeks. Look at her. Oh, fluffy girl. Oh, fluffy, big fluffy. I call her Miko from Pocahontas. Kitty, look at her pretty face. Look at her pretty face. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. My fluffy. I'm done torturing the cat. Let's do some hair. I think that I pretty well have it covered pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and put a bag on my head to keep the heat in so it can process for about 30 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and I'll be back to show you the results. Alrighty guys, this is the final result. So it did actually turn out pretty well. There's not a whole, I mean, there's definitely some purple left in it, but it's not like that bad. And I do still have my section hair still at the bottom, that funky blue, because I'm getting ready to go ahead and color it the dark color like I discussed in the beginning of this video. So if you would like, stay tuned for part 2. This will be a 3-part series. So what I'm gonna do is, part 1 is the bleaching of the roots. Part 2 is the dark hair underneath, and as well as some in the front section of my hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put Periwinkle by Arctic Fox over top of the blonde. So that will be part 3 of this video. So I do post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. So depending when this hair root video goes up, you should see me in about 2 days for part 2, and so on for part 3. So I hope you stay tuned for that. And I hope that you like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, add me on Snapchat, because I don't have a lot of social medias, but I do use Snapchat. So if you want to get sneak peeks at some of my videos before they go up, things like that, some more behind the scenes, like family things or whatever I'm doing, makeup or whatever. I do a lot on Snapchat, so add me on there. It's there. And below in the description of all my videos. So do that, and hopefully I will see you there. And also, subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.